Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and the average American has about $38,000. Yes, that's right, $38,000 of debt, mostly consumer debt in their household. For some of you may say your student loan debt is so much higher, you may have a mortgage, but on average, the household has about that much money or that much debt. So what do we do about this, right? As an individual, having debt and not being able to take control of your finances impacts your ability to go on vacation, right? To save for retirement, to invest in the things that you truly value. There's so many things that impact your money, but I'm here to solve that for you. My name is Dondre Brown. I am the founder of 1428 Financial Wellness. With over 7 years of experience in really helping people take control of their finances, I thought that I should bring to you an online course that can really help you look at your finances differently. So this is the My Money and Me Academy. So through these workshops, my goal is to bring a culturally responsive financial literacy perspective to how you manage your money. So essentially what that means is these workshops are platforms that look directly at you as an individual, that helps you focus on your identity as you think about your money, right? Helps you also focus on your relationships to money, so who's impacting your money and who are you impacting with your money? But then ultimately we set up accountability to help you change the behavior that you have with your money and do what you want to do. So if you are highly interested, motivated, and just want to make a change and take control of your finances, sign up today. See you soon.